Alright, we got a key fob here from a Kia Seltos, and I'm going to show you how to open it up and replace the battery. First thing you're going to want to do is open it up. We're going to take this back panel off. It's the one that does not have the emblem on it. Now you open this up, because there's a little slot that's down here that you can use your flathead screwdriver and just stick it in here. Then you can pry the back cover off. Alright, so once you get it off, you're going to need to take out these 4 Phillips screws. Alright, you're going to need a pretty small Phillips, okay, like some ones for doing like eyeglasses, okay. I'm going to get these 4 out of here. Once you get them out, now you can take this cover off once you get them out, and that will reveal the battery. There. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to use just one of these slots. You can just pick one and you can just pop it right out. Show you what size the battery is. The battery is going to be a CR2032 battery, and I'm going to leave a link down in the description box below. You can get a new battery from Amazon if you need one, and the battery size will be back down there too. So, but we put this in and we slide it in the bottom first, and then we just press it in there like that. It's going to want to spring out. And that's basically it. We just put the cover, plastic cover back on, replace all these screws. Okay. Let's get the back cover. What we're gonna do is just stick it right on here. It just snaps right back on, okay? And put the key back down, and you're good to go. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. And possibly leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.